In this video, I'm going to show you how you can organize the Classwork tab in Google Classroom. So keep in mind this is a training classroom, so there's not very many students and I manipulate a lot of the work, but you can set it up similar in your classroom where you are working with kids. So once I log into Google Classroom, I go ahead and click the Classwork tab, and what I've done is I have an announcement that doesn't have a topic, and that's where I include the Bitmoji classroom that I have that links to all their assignments. And you can link your assignments that you create in that slide deck as well as posting them here. So you can see that I've organized by week. So I have the work for this week, or excuse me, that was last week. And then I've also labeled things by the days of the week. The advantage of labeling by day of the week is that you can get everything set up before the week begins and just schedule them out. So they'll only see on that day what they have to do. You can see that I have everything just set in there. It's all good. And I have, again, the topic is the week. So if I go ahead and click the three dots or the vertical snowman, you can rename it or you can change it. When the week is over, I can just manipulate it and move it up or down. So I can have that week move out of the way. So you can see I have multiple weeks here. And because, again, it's training classroom, I haven't kept up like a regular class. So that's probably the best way to organize, and I think it works best for kids because they'll only see what they have to work on for that day if you go ahead and schedule assignments. So hopefully that's helpful and useful for how you're organizing your Google Classroom.